the purity of liquid metal, casting high-strength steel, multiple-stage hot rolling, and controlled quenching for unmatched strength and durability. Kalika TMT Steel. The strength of technology. One of India's nerve centers for steel production is Jalna in Maharashtra. Kalika Steel Alloys Private Limited is a prominent producer of superior quality TMT steel bars. Kalika Steel has a modern, fully integrated plant that incorporates the most advanced technologies to produce high-quality steel. From melting to casting, online heating, hot rolling and quenching under controlled conditions to ensure consistent quality with high productivity. All the operations are governed by strict adherence to safety, health and environment management. Dual streams of high-efficiency induction furnaces for continuous melting of sponge iron. Fume extraction systems make the operations pollution-free. A state-of-the-art continuous casting machine transforms the liquid metal into high-grade billets. The red-hot billets travel through an efficient billet handling system that transfers them to the rolling mill. On the way, the billets pass through an online heating system, which maintains them at the required temperature. Kalika Steel has installed a world-class hot rolling mill incorporating Siemens Tri-Metals technology. This 300,000 metric ton per annum capacity mill produces FE 500 grade TMT bars in sizes ranging from 8mm to 40mm. The advanced features of the mill enable direct rolling of the hot billet through a three-stage rolling process, starting with the roughing mill, to the intermediate mill and finally to the finishing mill, resulting in highly consistent dimensional tolerances. The rolled bars undergo instant quenching in the latest Pomini quenching system, incorporating Siemens controls. The PQS quenching strengthens the core surface of the bar and retains high mechanical properties, superior strength, ductility, easy weldability and corrosion resistance. The Kalika FE 500 TMT bar thus conforms to both Indian and international standards and specifications. After quenching, the bars are automatically transferred to the large rake-type cooling bed. From the roll-on cooling bed onwards, a modern bar handling system carries out automatic shearing, counting and bunching, automatic sub-bundling and master bundling, leading to safe handling of bars while increasing the plant productivity. An automatic bundle bending and binding system facilitates quick loading and secure transportation without pilferage or theft. Every batch of production is subjected to stringent quality control processes backed by state-of-the-art laboratory tests. A high-accuracy spectrometer macro-analyzes the chemical composition of the steel and billets for internal structure control. Mechanical strength and properties are tested through tensile strength test and bend test. Kalika FE 500 TMT bars have superior characteristics to withstand corrosion, earthquake and fire, while offering high ductility for bending and welding whilst leaving its mechanical properties intact. Over a decade of its operations, Kalika Steel has emerged as a preferred source for high-quality TMT bars for reputed infrastructure and construction companies, prominent builders and developers, and government projects across Western and Central India. For Kalika Steel, it's a journey of excellence. Driven by a committed team of promoters and technical experts with wide experience in steel manufacturing, constantly exploring new technologies for producing superior quality steel, thus helping to build structures that last forever. Kalika TMT Steel. The strength of technology.